how to fix Instagram filters not working problem. It's an easy process, so let's start. So first of all, just hit the subscribe button so that this helps me. So thank you guys. So first of all, open your Instagram app and go to the filters. So when your filters not working, so that just go to the Play Store or App Store and then search Instagram, and then just update your Instagram app. Here you can see a update is showing there, so just update your app. And then if this not work, then go to the app info. Here this is also same as Android and iPhone, so just go over there and just force stop this. After that, open your Instagram app and then your problem will be solved. So and last solving thing is just check it out, your restart your device. After that the problem will be solved. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.